Hi, my name is Caden Dene. I'm an Ag Territory Manager with Ziegler Cat, and today I'm going to be talking about the 15 and 20 inch Brandt GrainBelt conveyors. The 15-inch conveyor is offered in two lengths, both 37 and 47 foot, and the 20 inch is offered in 45 and 55 foot lengths. The 15-inch grain belt can move 9,000 bushel an hour of commodity, and the 20-inch grain belt can move up to 12,000 bushel an hour of commodity. The Brandt 15 and 20 inch belt conveyors feature a collapsible hopper that has an 8-inch overall height when collapsed, and when extended, seen here, has a 16-inch overall height. Moving back on this conveyor, we see here the optional hydraulic winch. You can also get a manual winch equipped on both the 15 and 20 inch models. All Brandt LP Plus grain conveyors come standard with this angle indicator. This angle indicator is important because soybeans should be conveyed at 26.5 degrees or less, and corn should be conveyed at 21.5 degrees or less. All Brandt GrainBelt LP Plus series conveyors have an option for the Easy Move system. This system allows the operator to transport the auger via a self-contained hydraulic system that is powered by a 38 horsepower Kohler gas engine. You can also option for an electric drive and PTO drive. However, with the electric and PTO drive, you cannot get the Easy Move system. That option is exclusive to the gas engine. Moving back on this Brandt belt conveyor, we have the patented Easy Track belt tensioning system. This allows the operator to easily check proper belt tension. When this indicator is in the red, it needs adjustment. When it is in the green, it is in proper adjustment. The Easy Track system helps ensure maximum belt life. All Brandt products feature a powder coat finish that ensures maximum resale value after long-term ownership. Also, all of the Brandt belt conveyors feature a fully enclosed welded wind guard that protects the belt against rodent damage as well as weathering from the sun. If you have any other questions about the Brandt 15 and 20 inch LP Plus series grain belt, please contact your nearest Ag Territory Manager or visit us at ZieglerAg.com. Thank you for watching.